Hi guys! Welcome back to Tornado Alley again. Pollution again. Pollution.
I'm not going to make the same mistake as last time.
Have your blue coil on then.
Because I had a mask on and then I jumped too high and I went out of bounds and I died.
To death.
So that's the dumbest. Is there any key on the end of the jetty?
Nope.
Nope.
I didn't see one.
Triple threat.
3 tornadoes.
Okay.
This works. Hello group.
Be nice to find a key.
Be boring, shelter. Are you like saying?
I think it does get a bit boring in the shelter. Look at everyone. Yeah, okay. Yeah, rightio. I'm sure the shelter key was there. That's sad, sad, sad.
What are you going to do?
Never get to find the shelter key when there's too many people.
Yeah, just on a big.
But to be honest, I think the shelter can get a bit boring. Because you're not really practicing, are you? How to get away from things. I mean, I could easily just buy a key.
Yeah, I did.
But I think that's a bit pathetic. That's not how you play a game.
Sometimes.
I also don't like the pay to win concept. I think that's a bit stupid.
I found I bet for you. It's my work. I gained the shelter. By the way.
Here we go. No. What? Oh, there was one just behind me. I should have known that because it's triple threat. I was only looking at 2. Okay, here we go.
EF2, EF1, EF3. And one just near me. And getting killed. Both in the same night.
This is. I hate it how it's blurry. That's not cool. I really don't like it, and I'm pretty much dead.
Me too.
What? I actually survived.
Me too.
Okay. They're not very strong tornadoes.
At that EF3 a bit strong.
Yeah, it is a little bit. What's wrong? Oh, they're just hiding.
And me.
Okay.
Bouncing.
So I usually find if you just sort of bounce around the edge and just be aware of where they all are, you can survive. Having said that,
I see you just got bomb in the air.
I'm a bit worried.
Everyone's soaking wet.
Yeah, well, I've turned off rain. I don't like it.
You're still soaking wet, oh. Be lying there.
This has been quite traumatic.
I haven't died.
I've had a few near-death experiences in this episode. In this round.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Can you
2,
not do that?
1.
That was so out of time. Okay.
Okay.
They're disappearing now.
Pollution.
Oh, man.
Let's wait for this box. I'm not going to go in the water. The shower stopped. What? Again? Stop playing.
All you can do is sit and wait, right?
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm here.
Jump.
Oh, there you are.
I'm going to find you.
Right.
Wait. Okay.
Zach the car man. Hey. Hi.
Hi.
Been a bad day at the office,
Yeah.
hasn't it? What? You got a bat?
Yeah.
Now what? Look at us, ready for anything. We got to get a mask, guys. Okay. We're just waiting for it to drop.
There's that airplane be coming.
You kind of have to wait for a while, don't you? It doesn't happen straight away.
No. I won't touch that airplane. Get off our heads, girl!
It's weird how people jump on top of you. It's like, what? Come on, where's this plane, guys? Where is it?
Over there.
Oh, what?
Landing in the water!
I've got this sick feeling I'm missing out.
I got one. 2 more left. 1 more left.
Did you get it?
Empty. I got it.
So did I.
Nice. Empty now. I can't see.
I did the wrong thing again. So I jumped
Have your
and went out of... I took the coil off and I'm falling through the air. I did it again. I cannot believe I did that again. It's almost as if it's anti-gravity, but I know it's not meant to be. I cannot believe I was that dumb. Silly old me.
They paralyzed. Someone helping me. Someone help me, please.
I don't like this new boundary thing. They're trying to stop people cheating though. We'll just have to outsmart the game again.
How?
Why is that person saying skinny?
You're so skinny.
Okay. Well, what do I say? Well, I'm not skinny in real life, so I don't even know how to say that. I think that's weird. I just need to get away.
I found that girl. Hi.
I think that's the first time I've ever been called skinny before. Good grief.
Hi.
Okay.
I found that girl. I called my Kawayuki skinny.
What's your problem, girl?
Why tell Kawayuki the skinny?
Yeah, I know. Stop picking on people's body size and give us stuff what they look like. Okay.
Next round.